What's up, guys? Today we're back here at the track, continuing work on the garage, and we've just started laying out the foundations for the cement.
Hopefully, after 1 week, I have a surgery.
Yeah, he just got back. He's from the surgery. He's feeling a lot better now.
I'm better. Okay, so today we are going to fix the mulch, and inside we are going to fix the concrete. So we are going to do the base, so the panel, but we are going to close all the area.
So we have big planks, and we've drilled holes through the cement where we've put supporting rods every 12 inches, and we're gonna get ready now. We're gonna build this up. We're gonna build the mold up a little bit higher, about a couple feet, so we're gonna pour cement in here, and then we're gonna pour it on the other side as well. So from this column to this corner, and then from that column to that corner. So these giant panels that you can see here all along the wall, we have a bunch more of these, and we're gonna mount these on top of this once we get this set.
Concrete in this height, and then 90-degree corner, and then
On the panels.
let's start. going to unscrew all the molds that we fixed the previous days. We are going to do it the same as the other side, from this side. And as we put all the piece of iron, a friend comes here with his McLaren.
Hello friends, good morning, good morning. Today we'll ρε μαλάκα με αγχώσω την κάμερα.
Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we have all the crew with us. So εδώ Socrates, Dionysius,
Good morning.
Yorgos.
Good morning. Say hello to my fans.
We are going to create a concrete for the molds today here. We're excited because all the place is going to close. How we say it? It's going to close everyone, everything. And
So, we've made a bunch of progress since last time. We've officially put the cement in for the first half of the wall, and it's dried. The boys came here the other day without me, and they put in the molds for the second half of the cement wall. The weather's a little bit iffy today. It was clouds and it's raining. So this time we're gonna make the cement indoors. So we're actually moving the piles of rocks and sand. We're gonna move it inside where we have the machine. We're gonna mix the cement inside there. And then we're gonna pour in the second wall today. Hopefully by tomorrow, that should be dry. We can take off the wood so we can let that finish. And then basically we've got the foundations for both walls done. Next step is to put in the panels.
the panels.
And then
the
start building the door.
door.
Yeah, exactly.
After we close all the place, we're going to fix the bottom, plumbing and the electric systems.
Yeah, so
Also today we put all the lights because the night we can't see, so we must put
we brought
first.
3 or 4 big lights, and we're gonna get those up as well. I'll show you those in a second. So plan for today is move the material, mix the cement, pour it in the mold,
we were
put the
waiting
lights.
for new materials. It's on the road. It's coming in seconds. And we're safe. Okay.
I know everything in English. I have the biggest paper for the college.
George, can you vouch for his skills in English? Does he have the biggest paper?
Εντάπες.
So we finished laying the cement for this section of the wall. It's been drying now for a couple hours. Thankfully we had enough cement to lay it down. We also had some extra cement and we laid it out in front where we're going to have the door. So basically the door is going to open and we're going to have a little bit of cement in front of it that will allow us to bring the cars in and kind of bridge the gap between the dirt, the gravel outside and then the cement inside. So we lay the cement there. There isn't quite enough cement, so maybe in the next couple of days or next week when the first layer of cement dries, we'll throw another layer on top of it and kind of have it a bit smoother, and we'll fix that way. So we finished the wall, and now we've got a bunch of lights that we're putting up. We're gonna put a lot of lights in here because right now the way it is, there aren't very many windows. We're gonna have windows up here about 40 centimeters, maybe half a yard, all along the top, plexiglass, so we can have some natural light. But that's still not gonna be quite enough, so especially at night, obviously when there's no light. So we're gonna put some lights on. I'm thinking we're probably gonna need to put lights in all the corners. So like little spotlights in each of the corners and then sort of along the inside of the upper wall. But we'll see what we end up doing. For now, we've got 4 units of ceiling lights and we've put two big ones in the middle, and then we're putting the two small ones on each of the two beams. So as you can see here, we've got the lights up. We've got the two big ones in the center, and then we've got the one small one here and the one small one over there. So we have this little like square of light. That'll do for the first round. And then we're gonna put more lights obviously over here. I wanna get lights in the corners there, and then all along there, and then all along here as well. In the middle, we're gonna have a big bench where we can put our tools and everything. We're bringing the cars half inside here, and then we can put cars on that side as well.
Τρώμε εδώ.
Τρώμε με το χέρι.
Όλα τα βίντεο θα είναι το φαγητό έτσι στο χέρι.
Λάκι.
Λάκι, από το πουλάκι.
Από το πουλάκι. Όχι.
Τσικενάκι, τσικενάκι.
Από το πουλάκι.
Don't forget to do like and subscribe.
Yeah, boy. We got that meat.
Εσύ τα ίδια.
Άντε παιδιά, σιγά.
Γεια σας.
Ευχαριστούμε πολύ για το πούλτσο σας. Καλά μου νιώθω το πούλτσο σας.
Yeah,